I bet you it didn't flip like a flip it card. $11. You guys, missing out. You're missing out. You're missing out. Okay, here we go. Bethany says she's doing a craft fair. Yay. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Treat topper. So many dies. They had to give you 2 cards. Look at this. So many dies. Now you're saying, Stephanie, what is this? I don't get it. I don't get it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. I will. We're going so late. I will demo this on HSN. But this is a drop-in die. It can say treats for you. It can also say happy birthday. I didn't grab a happy birthday sample, but it could also say happy birthday. It is a little treat bag. This one has cat food in it. I love that. Look at that. Look at that. So what it is you are getting little bags. You are getting poly bags that you can put anything you want in here, right? So you could put a little tea bag with a little mint and some confetti. Look at that, Christmas, and it's a little treat bag. Now, I made this for the twins for their gift product. I mean, for their little, look out that shaker. So you could just put sequins in there and make it, look at that, treats for you. I made this for the kids so they could have, and they can be different sizes.